Welcome to the Office of Accessibility Services at West Virginia University. Each semester, you will log in and renew your accommodations request. The first step is to log into the SAMM on the Office of Accessibility Services website at accessibilityservices.wvu.edu/SAMM. To enter the student portal, you will select Student. You will then enter your WVU username and password. This is your mix username and password. Once in, you will review the procedures for authorized accommodations and electronically sign the form. After you have signed the form, you will then click on the Accommodations tab on the left-hand side. Under the Accommodations tab, you will select the semester and then click Add New. At this point, you'll be able to view all accommodations you have been approved for. Again, you will select the semester from the drop-down menu. This will allow you to see all your current semester classes. Click Submit for all if you wish to use all accommodations in all classes. Your request will then be complete. You can choose to customize your accommodation. You may uncheck any classes that you do not wish to request accommodations in. After selecting all your semester accommodations, you will then select Submit. Once your accessibility specialist reviews your request and the request has been approved, they will send out a faculty notification letter to you and your professors. At this point, you will need to meet with them to discuss how to implement your accommodations in their class. After the discussion, you and your professor will both log into the SAM and electronically sign off on the accommodations that you discussed. Please be aware that accommodations are not retroactive and begin after you speak with your instructor. Not all accommodations can transfer to all classes based on technical standards. It may also take up to 7 days for the instructor to implement your accommodations. If you need assistance, you can email us at access2@wvu.edu or call us at 304-293-6700. Thanks and have a great semester!